Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons of trade. We have a special job for a CB2 today. We have a clogged toilet. So when he gets here, we're going to get the shots, and I'm hoping we can get this thing clear because it's been clogged since we started this job, and now they have it taped up. So we'll see inside. We'll get the shots, and hopefully we'll get it done. Here's the culprit. It was clogged solid before. Oh yeah. Put that right in the trash can. Now it looks to me like this is Paper Towel City. Isn't that nice? Just like this, you just want to go real slow and try to get the auger in and out because we don't want to flush it because it's definitely been overflowing. So real slow. Let's try to get it auged.
Is it different auger?
No. Oh, maybe it is.
It's like that, you know?
Here, look. Right in like this. Stuff it in the horn and start going around. There it is. Turn that joke and get in and out as you go. There it is. You gotta really, first of all, pull it back out. Try to keep all the crap in the toilet. Pull the auger. There you go. Now get in there. Push all the way in and up as far as you can. Not like that, but you know what I'm saying? Now start auging it. Alright, you guys twist and push as you go. It's probably clogged with paper towels. Come on, CB, let's get it done. You gotta go around like clockwise. We don't know what's in there. That's it. Just don't splash that, alright? You get it? Did any go in yet?
Yeah, just trying to pull back out.
Alright. So I don't want to flush it and make a mess. Why don't you hold it with your left hand and turn with your right hand? Huh?
Feels weird.
It does you?
Yeah. I think I'm goofy snowboarding, so I gotta do things different.
Twist and push. Keep rotating that thing. That's it. You gotta rotate it to make that turn.
This?
Yeah. Up top. Charles Barron.
Slots like bigger.
Huh?
This slots like bigger.
Yeah, I think they do. Look at me. When you do this, you have to give it some ass, alright? I'm pushing down as I'm turning. Okay? Now, I'm hitting something right here. So I'm going to go backwards a little bit. Oh, I'm all the way through now. Okay? And it's probably just paper towels. Go ahead. Give it a go-ski. This is plumbing at its best. right in the horn. So yeah, keep going. You're gonna go into the toilet flange. That's only 3 foot long. So go back. If you feel tension, go backwards. Rotate it backwards. Now try it again. There it is. Now look, while you're in there, look. Boom, boom, boom. Back into now. Alright, bring it out reverse. See if we got any more paper towels in there. Don't splash it. Stop. Alright, flush the toilet. Leave it in there and flush it. That's how we're going to clean our auger. Good. Flush it a couple times. Alright, now look at it. Run that toilet, that auger in there a couple times and clean it. Push that crap down the toilet too with the auger and then you clean it out, alright? There you go. What we got? Look at me. We got doo-doos. When I say clean, I mean run the auger in the toilet again. This way you clean the whole table with clean water, okay? Alright. That wasn't too bad. I like it. Just had that drove in it. How do you get it in there? Rotate it. It's a little. It's not a regular. It's a different kind of auger with the big head. So you got to rotate it and push at the same time. Just had it in there. Keep pushing, man. You gotta work that joke. It's stuck. Look, pull it. Keep working it. You just had it in there. You got it in there, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to do the same thing.
It's the whole key to this operation is spinning it. Because nothing will push through nothing straight on a trap. It's a trap like this. Look. Goes up and around and out, like an just like a tree trap under a sink. That's it, man. Rotate that to it. There it is. There it is. You're going to get you can't turn no more. Go reverse. There it is. Now, spin it out. I gotta get some more toilets pods. Pretty practice. I think our last auger job was the other movie theater.
Yeah, it was.
Rotate it out. Flush that toilet, we'll put that away, and the plunger. I'll flush it. Yeah, right out the truck. There it is. Here's how you test it. Make sure it's nothing in it. We need some more clogged toilets for this boy. Struggling with the auger. Come on. So much fun. Well, we got the toilet cleared. Thank God it was nothing major where we had to pull the toilet, something stuck in the toilet. You know, you plumbers, you young plumbers out there, you know if you know this, that you have to sometimes pull a toilet, flip it upside down to get the foreign object out. Luckily, we were able to clear the toilet with the auger, and she's been smooth sailing all day. CB2, he needs practice on the auger. With that, we will catch you at the next one. Have a great night.